Hello everyone, today I want to share what we've learned after years of working on these machines because many times the real problem is in a completely different place than most people expect. The S0001 error on a Peloton bike appears when the display loses communication with one or more of the bike's internal components. Simply put, the system is no longer able to exchange information properly. So, as a safety measure, it displays the error and stops operating. At our shop, we often hear customers say things like, the screen turns on but S0001 appears, or the bike stopped working after I moved it. The first thing we explain is that this code is usually related to an internal connection or communication issue. It does not necessarily mean the entire bike is damaged. The first thing we check is the internal USB-C cable and the other connectors that link the display to the bike. It's common for one of these connections to come loose after the bike has been moved or transported. As one of our technicians likes to say, if the display stops receiving information, the system shuts everything down to prevent bigger problems. We also inspect the connectors for moisture, corrosion, or damaged wiring. Some customers tell us the error started after transporting the bike or after several months of use, both of which can lead to loose or deteriorated connections. Peloton recommends checking all connections, restarting the bike, and if the problem persists, performing a more thorough diagnostic. At this time, there is no known widespread manufacturing defect specifically associated with the S0001 error.